In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with ClickFunnels and how they will show you a step-by-step guide on how to promote their products. Hi guys, Jay Roberts, the Geeky Dad here from Building My Empire. And before we dive in, if you're new here, please scroll down and subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so then you don't miss out on any future videos. So let's dive right in. In this video, we're going to be talking about ClickFunnels. Now, I've not been with them long, but I think ClickFunnels are amazing. I want to go into some detail about some steps that you can take that are available to you and can help you to start making some money. It's literally a step-by-step guide from them to help you understand ClickFunnels and to get you off to a good start with your business. If you don't already know, ClickFunnels has an affiliate program, and I think personally it's one of the best. Commissions are great, lots of people are wanting it, lots of businesses are needing it. So if you haven't signed up for it, guys, I'll leave the link in the description, so go ahead and check it out. I will also leave a link to the bootcamp, and this video is what we're going to be talking about, their affiliate bootcamp. So we're going to be talking about the bootcamp, and it pretty much shows you everything that you need to do. It's a step-by-step guide on how to use all the products and services and how to use them to start earning revenue, which is what you want, guys. Like I said, guys, if you haven't got ClickFunnels, I will leave a link so you can get a free 14-day trial, so you can start using it and start earning. And I will leave a link for this affiliate bootcamp so you can check this guys out and learn how to use it so you can start generating revenue. So let's get into it, guys. So basically, once you sign up for it, you'll start getting emails daily, and each email goes into lots of details and shows you lots of things. For instance, on the screen now, this is like your first page. You come onto here, you sign up, and it says how to retire in 100 days as a ClickFunnels super affiliate. Now, I'm not saying this is true for everybody, but if you follow this, Russell Brunson teaches you, so if you follow step by step and put your all into it, there's no reason why you can't. And if you don't retire, I'm pretty sure if you follow step by step, you will be earning money. This is a good way, this is a good place to start. If you don't know anything about ClickFunnels, check this out. Do the training step by step. So yeah, you'll get an email every day, so check your spam folder just in case it goes into there. And each day they will teach you like different subjects which will all link together. Best part is, guys, is the whole training is worth $997, and you get it for free. Yay! We love free things, don't we, guys? Yeah, so like day one, some of the things it goes into, like here's day one, and basically it'll show you a video, and they'll show you how to do certain things, gives you like welcome and all that, and it tells you here the action points of today's lesson kind of thing. So watch the video, read these, follow the steps, and then you can press next video, which should take you to like day two. And at like day two, pretty much same. It'll tell you the action points. So let's go back. In day one, you'll be signing up for thingy. You'll be sharing the funnel, so you get some free email sequence written by professional copywriters, so that's pretty good. It's telling you to check your emails every day, and it gives you a chance to join the ClickFunnels Avengers group, which is on Facebook. It's got lots of people learning and sharing help and advice, so it's a very good group, guys. I recommend joining that as well. And then obviously day 2, you're creating an action funnel, setting up your first set of emails. So you could probably use some of them what you get free on the last one, showing you how to attach your emails to your landing page. And then I've just showed, I'm not doing it day by day, but like day 7 here, setting over the shoulder, and it shows you how to set up your Facebook campaign. Yeah. And skipping ahead a few more days, day 12, ninja traffic bonus. So it's saying John Parks walks you through the Facebook pixel and how to build custom audiences to find new customers. Step 1, set up your pixel on your pages and funnels. Step 2, create a custom audience based on pixel data. Step 3, set up a lookalike audience that looks like people who've landed on your pages. So it goes into a lot of detail, guys. Some other things that it covers is funnel bait, blogging, traffic, ads, podcasts, and so much more, guys. It's definitely worth it. You'll learn so much doing this, and if you follow it step by step and put in the effort, you will. I can't guarantee it, but I'm pretty certain that you will earn some money. I certainly did, and pretty much everyone in that Clickfunnels Avengers group makes out you do, and they all give advice saying if you're new to Clickfunnels, definitely do this. It teaches you everything you need to know, guys. You're learning things people pay thousands for, and you're getting it for free. So make use of it, guys. Learn it, follow it step by step, put your all into it. You've got nothing to lose and a lot to gain. Like he's saying, you can retire in 100 days. Don't know how true that is, but go for it, guys. There's affiliates out there, guys, who haven't even done this bootcamp training, so you'll be learning things that they haven't. So you'll be like one step ahead of them. So click on the links in the description, guys. Start doing your bootcamp training and get your business off to a great start. I say go for it. So if you've enjoyed this video, guys, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Please hit the like button, the notification bell, and share it with your friends. And comment below if you've done this bootcamp before, or comment below if you're starting the bootcamp. I'd like to know, guys. So once again, thank you very much for watching, much appreciated. And don't forget to check out our other ClickFunnels videos and our other affiliate marketing videos. You will learn lots more stuff. So thanks again, guys, and I'll see you next time.